This chair showed up vacuum sealed in a box, as you see here. And in a few minutes, it's supposed to turn into a full-size Chaise lounge. So let's see if that actually works. And just to be clear up front, this Chaise lounge was sent to me by Wisenook. Alright, so this one is one of those Boneless Chaise lounge chairs, which basically means there's no internal frame and no assembly at all. It ships completely compressed, and they actually include a small cutting knife right in the box so you can open it without damaging the fabric. As soon as the plastic comes off, it starts expanding on its own. You'll see it slowly taking shape over the next few minutes. The outer material here is corduroy fabric, so it's soft and breathable, and inside it's filled with high-density sponge instead of springs or wood frames. That's what gives it more of a lounge feel while still supporting your back, hips, and legs. This one is oversized, wide enough for 2 people, with a deep seat so you can stretch out and relax without feeling cramped. It also includes an ottoman, removable washable covers, and a side pocket for books or a remote, which is actually more useful than it sounds. I'm going to let it finish expanding so we can see how thick it gets, how firm it feels, and whether it really holds its shape once it's fully settled. Okay guys, what did y'all think about it? I tell you what, I was going to measure this so you can be able to see. That is about 16 inches tall. We're just guesstimating here. It's about 4 foot wide. The ottoman part here is about 3 foot. The armrests go up about 21 inches or so. That's your basic measurements on it. My first thoughts on it, it's pretty comfortable. No joke. Sitting straight up like this, it would be nice if the back was a little higher, just to be honest with you. But let me pull this pillow up and see how that feels. Oh, okay. Yeah, that is much better there. One of the cool things about it too is it has pockets on the side. For me personally, I would be keeping my tablet right there. There's also one right over here as well. Somewhere. Yep, there it is. So, really nice. The max weight on it is 400 pounds, I believe is what I read. And by the way, you can take the covers off of the pillows. They have zippers. There it is. You have to look around for it. They're hidden, but it does have zippers. You can unzip this if you so desire. Take the cover off of it. There you go. You could wash these if you wanted to. I'm not real sure how easy it would be to get it all put back on there, but that is an option. It does not say how long you're supposed to let this sit before it reaches the full firmness, but my understanding is furniture like this, it gets full within 24 hours. It reaches its full firmness in about 48 hours. So there you have it. It's really nice. I picked this color out of the other colors. There are other colors available, but I like the gray. It's really soft, really nice. Anyway, there you have it. Really nice. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. I like it. And if you'd like to check out some more home and office furniture, I'll put a playlist right over here that you can go check out. Might be something else you'd be interested in that playlist. Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.